Athlete's foot it starts with an itch, a burn, or peeling skin between your toes. It's sneaky, persistent, and thrives in warm, moist places like shoes and locker rooms. A classic remedy. Baking soda. Mix a tablespoon into a basin of warm water and soak for 15 minutes. It neutralizes moisture and fights fungal growth naturally. Tea tree oil is another. MVP, it's got antifungal and antibacterial powers. Just mix a few drops with coconut oil and apply twice a day to clean dry feet. Garlic. Oh yes, crush a few cloves, let them sit, then mix with olive oil. Apply this paste to affected areas. Garlic contains allicin, a potent antifungal agent. Apple cider vinegar balances your skin's pH and creates a hostile environment for fungi. Soak your feet daily in a 1-to-1 mix of vinegar and water for quick relief. Prevention starts with dryness. After washing, always dry between your toes. Moisture is fungus' best friend, cut it off. And you cut down the risk of flare-ups. Epsom salt soaks can ease inflammation and reduce infection. Use 1/2 cup in warm water. Soak your feet 2 to 3 times a week. It soothes and supports healing. Sounds odd, but yogurt with live cultures helps. Apply plain yogurt to the infected skin. Let it dry, then rinse. Probiotics restore healthy skin flora. Cornstarch works wonders for sweaty feet. Dust it inside your socks and shoes. It absorbs moisture and keeps things cool, dry, and fungus-free. Aloe vera isn't just for sunburn. Its antifungal properties and soothing effect make it perfect for itchy, cracked feet. Apply gel directly twice a day. Twice a day, wear clean, breathable socks. Daily, preferably cotton or moisture-wicking blends. Change them often and never reuse. Damp socks. Sunlight kills fungus, so air out your shoes in direct sun whenever possible. You'd be surprised how fast UV rays can zap those spores. Let those feet breathe. Switch to open shoes or sandals when you can. It cuts down moisture and gives your skin a fighting chance to heal. Lavender oil isn't just relaxing, it's antifungal. 2. Mix with a carrier oil and gently massage into feet. Great for bedtime and calming those itchy toes. Onions contain sulfur compounds that fight fungi. Rub a fresh slice over the area or mash and mix with honey for a natural foot mask. Calendula cream helps with redness and cracked skin. While it's not a hardcore antifungal, it eases the symptoms so your remedies can work better. Coconut oil moisturizes and has mild antifungal effects. It's perfect post-soak to keep skin supple, reduce itching, and add a layer of natural protection. Rotate your shoes. Don't wear the same pair 2 days in a row. Give them time to air out and prevent fungal buildup from lingering sweat. Hydrogen peroxide can kill surface fungus. Dab it gently using a cotton ball, but use it sparingly. It can dry out skin if overused. Neem oil or leaves are antifungal warriors. You can boil neem leaves and soak your feet, or apply diluted neem oil for deep cleansing. Exfoliate gently with a pumice stone. Removing dead skin layers helps treatments penetrate deeper and keeps fungal spores from finding a home. Strong skin fights better. Zinc boosts immunity and skin healing. Take it through food or supplements, especially if athlete's foot keeps. Returning. Always wear flip-flops in public showers and locker rooms. It's the #1 place athlete's foot spreads barrier protection. Goes a long way. Wash your hands after treating your feet. It may seem obvious, but fungus can spread to hands, nails, or even your face if you're not careful. Be consistent. Home remedies work best with daily dedication. Don't rush. The healing fungus takes time to fully clear, even if symptoms fade fast. Most people see relief in a week, but full healing takes 2 to 4 weeks. Stick with your chosen remedy, and don't mix too many at once. Imagine smooth, clear, itch-free feet again. It's not far off with the right home remedy, patience, and a few lifestyle tweaks. Athlete's foot doesn't stand a chance. So, recap: tea tree, garlic, vinegar, aloe, baking soda, neem yogurt, coconut oil, and more. Choose what suits you and start today.